Hi learners! Are you ready to have some fun as we read and write together today? During today's lesson, we are going to be doing some interactive writing.
Materials!
For today's lesson, you are going to need a piece of paper and a pencil. I'll wait a moment as you gather your materials. We have 4 learning targets today. Wow! The first is, I can review taught phonemes, high-frequency words, and decodable words. Next, I can review taught graphemes, that's letters, and phonemes, sounds. I can segment and blend phonemes, sounds, into a spoken word-like path. And finally, I can collaborate with my teacher to write a sentence with VC, CVC, CCVC, and high-frequency words. Wow! Let's get started.
Transition song.
Gather round together, together, together. Gather round together, together right now. We're going to play a quiz game, a quiz game, a quiz game. We're going to play a quiz game to practice what we've learned. Today, we are going to play another round of question and switch. For this first round, I am going to show you the letter or the word, and then you are going to tell me what it says. Are you ready? Let's do this first one together. The letter is an S, and the sound is S. That's right, you've got it. Okay, the next one is all you. What's the letter? That's right, it's an M. And what sound does it make? That's right. One more. What letter is on that card? That's right. It's a G. And what sound does the G make? G. For this round, we are going to look at the words we have been decoding this week. What is this word? Man. Let's try another one. That is the word lap. One more. That is the word wrap.
Transition song.
Now let's all be writers, be writers, be writers. Now let's all be writers like the authors we love. Listen to the sentence, the sentence, the sentence. Listen to the sentence we will write as a group.
Writing.
Okay, get ready for some interactive writing. That means that we are going to work as a team to write a sentence together. You will need your piece of paper and your pencil. The sentence we are going to write today is, Pat's cat has a hat. Say it with me. Pat's cat has a hat. Let's get the sentence started. With the word Pat's, what sound do you hear first? A P. And we're going to put a letter P because it makes the sound P. But wait, The P is the first letter of our sentence. So what do we need to do to it? We need to turn the lowercase p into an uppercase P. It's also called a capital P. Now we can keep going. P, A. For the sound A, I need the letter A. P, A, T. Yes, I need a letter T for the sound T. And finally, what do we hear at the end of the word pats? That's right, a S sound, which is made by the letter S. We need to add one final thing to the word pats. It's called an apostrophe. An apostrophe shows that the cat belongs to Pat. As we keep going with our word, we need to think about what comes next. A space. We always leave a space between our words. So now I have Pat's cat. That's right. Thank you for helping me remember the sentence. Pat's cat has. Notice how we also left a space between cat and has. Let's take a moment to start writing what we have so far in our sentence. You grab your piece of paper and your pencil, and I will help you with that letter formation. I'm going to do some skywriting while you write the letters on your page. For the word pats, we need that uppercase P. We start at the top line. Pull down, up, over, around. And then the A, you are an expert. Just under that dotted line, pull back and around, up and down. Put your pencil on that top line to start your lowercase t. And what we say is pull down and across. And then for that letter S, start just under the dotted line and we say pull back in, around, and back around. You can also add in that apostrophe between the T and the S. Fantastic job writing the word pats. Let's leave a space. You might put your finger down on your page to get the right amount of space. And then we can start the word cat. For a C, it starts just like an A. Pull back and around. And for that lowercase a, it's just like a C. Pull back and around, up and down. And then the word cat ends with a T. Start on that top line, pull all the way down to the bottom and cross. Leave another space and then we can write the word has. A lowercase h is a tall letter, so that starts at the top line. Pull down, up, over, make a hump. After that H, we need an A. Pull back and around, up and down. And then finally, to end the word has, we need that lowercase s. Starting just under that dotted line, pull back in, around, and back around. Nicely done. I added that word a for us. You can go ahead and add it to your sentence. We have one more word. Do you remember what it is? Pat's cat has a... That's right, a hat. Tap that one out with me. At, hat. Go ahead after you leave a space and add the word hat to your sentence. And then a lowercase a. Pull back and around, up and down. And finally, go ahead and add that lowercase t. We are almost done. There is something we need to add to the end of our sentence to let our readers know that we are done. Do you know what that's called? It is called a period. A period is a dot that rests just on the line. Now, it's not a beach ball, it's just a small dot. Wow, you just wrote a whole sentence. Great job!
Closing reflection.
Today, you reviewed letters and sounds, you decoded some words, and you helped me to write an entire sentence. Great job writing today, learners! I'm so proud of your hard work. I look forward to our next lesson when we will continue reading and writing together.